In this video, I want to go over the General Information Properties window. Now, this window opens automatically the first time you upload a set of prints into Swift, so you can fill it out then. But if you've already uploaded a set of plans to Swift and you want to get back to this General Information Properties window, this is what I'm going to go over now. You go to your Open folder and you'll highlight the job that you want to see that Properties window in, and you click on Properties. Now, this general information here is the bid due date you want to put in here, and you have your primary estimator, and I'll show you where you go and change the list to put your primary estimators or all your estimators in there. Then you have this status window, and this will be not started the takeoff yet, or I assigned a takeoff to a certain estimator, waiting for information, in review, submitted the bid, we won or lost the bid, and the date we started doing the takeoff. And then you have your terms. You can change these terms to whatever you want. And you have conditions. You can write any type of conditions up for your estimate in here. You can change all of this. And then you can write some general notes. Under contact information, you put the contact name of the general contractor or the main estimator you're bidding the job for. You put in his email, his phone number. You have the project address. Under the costing information tab is where you can put all your markups. You want a material markup, a labor markup, equipment, all the markups, all the burdens, all the overhead, material overhead, labor overhead, and your total overhead goes in here. And so you can just put all these markups in here, and so when you do your takeoff, it'll add all these percentages to your takeoff. You have your tax information, material tax, labor tax, miscellaneous options. You can check on this to calculate your takeoff costs, calculate your assembly costs, and use wages, rates. The labor rate here, you can use open shop or union shop. And these are just different things that we can go over on other videos. But I wanted to show you this properties window that will come up every time you upload a new job. You want to go through and fill out this properties window first. Now I want to go through the list tab. I want to click on the list tab here, and this is where the list is. Under level 21 custom lists, you have your conditions. This is where you change. You put any conditions you want for the job or your contract in here. Here's where you change your primary estimator. Just delete these names and put your names in there. Your terms, you can change the terms. Here's all the divisions. You have a usage. This is like a notepad that you can put on all of your parts when you do drop your parts in. This is a list that can be deleted or changed to your list. This is just a list I threw in there. You can do anything you want with that. This is the status. You can add stuff here and you can delete stuff here. Let's take a look at that. And then you have your category where you can change this to whatever you want it to be as well. And that concludes this video on the General Information Property window.